गुड मॉर्निंग स्टुडंट्स. आज पुन्हा आपण डिफाईन इंटिग्रेशन या टॉपिक मधले ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह बघतोय. त्या टॉपिक मधले ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह शिकण्यापूर्वी आपण त्या टॉपिक मधल्या प्रॉपर्टीज बघूया. डिफाईन इंटिग्रेशनच्या प्रॉपर्टीज. नाउ फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी that is first integration a to a f of x dx is equal to 0. इंटिग्रेशनचे लोअर लिमिट आणि अप्पर लिमिट सेम असतील तर त्या इंटिग्रेशनची व्हॅल्यू 0. सेकंड प्रॉपर्टी integration a to b f of x dx is equal to integration a to b f of t dt. That is definite integration is independent with respect to variable used. कोणता व्हेरिएबल यूज केलाय त्याच्यावरती डिफाइनेट इंटिग्रेशनची व्हॅल्यू डिपेंड असत नाही. इथे t यूज केला, इकडे x यूज केला, त्यामुळे इंटिग्रेशनची व्हॅल्यू व्हेरिएबल वरती डिपेंड नाही. लिमिट्स आर सेम a to b f of x dx, a to b f of t dt. नेक्स्ट integration a to b f of x dx is equal to minus integration b to a f of x dx. आपल्याला साइन लिमिट्स जर अल्टर करायचे असतील तर इंटिग्रेशनला साइन मायनस द्यावा लागेल. मग इंटिग्रेशनचा लोअर लिमिट आहे, अप्पर लिमिट बी तो इंटरचेंज करायचा असेल तर b to a आपल्याला लिहिता येईल, बट हियर इज अ मायनस साइन. अदरवाइज सपोज याच्यामध्ये मायनस साइन असेल आणि तो मायनस साइन आपल्याला काढायचा असेल तर तो मायनस साइन काढण्यासाठी लिमिट्स अल्टर करून घ्यायची. इथला मायनस साइन जर आपल्याला व्हॅनिश करायचं असेल तर इंटिग्रेशनचे लिमिट्स अल्टर करून घेणार. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 4, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ स्प्लिटिंग. a to b integration a to b f of x dx then is equal to a to c and c to b, where c lies between a and b. c lies between a and b. a आणि b मधला कोणताही एक पॉइंट सिलेक्ट करा. इंटरवल a b मधला एक पॉइंट सिलेक्ट करणार, त्या पॉइंटला आपल्याला स्प्लिट करता येईल. इंटिग्रेशन a to b means a to c and c to b f of x dx. Property number 5, it is very important property. Integration a to b f of x dx is equal to, इथं इंटिग्रँड आहे तो f of x, x मध्ये व्हेरिएबल ॲज x. Here integration a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. That is simply replace, here replace, what is replacement? We replace x by lower limit plus upper limit, a plus b minus x. x is replaced by a plus b minus x. फंक्शन f मध्ये, that is इंटिग्रँड मध्ये x च्या ठिकाणी x is replaced by upper limit plus lower limit minus x. x is replaced by a plus b minus x, then value of these two integrations are again same. This is property number 5, where limits are other than lower limit and upper limit other than 0, then it is this property. Next property number 6, lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. 0 to a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Same this property is here, but here just lower limit is equal to 0. That is 0 to a f of x dx is equal to same limits 0 to a, but x is replaced by upper limit minus x. Upper limit as a minus x is replaced by x. X is replaced by a minus x, then value of these two integrations are same. म्हणजे या इंटिग्रेशन बद्दल आपल्याला हे इंटिग्रेशन लिहिता येईल. नेक्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 7, 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to, now upper limit is 2a, 0 to 2a, मला अप्पर लिमिटचा हाफ करता येईल, 2a चा हाफ, that is a. Therefore in limits of integrations are 0a 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 0a. Therefore 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 0 to a f of x dx plus 0 to a f of 2a minus x. Here integrand is same. For first integration, integrand is same, but if second integral, x is replaced by this 2a minus x. X is replaced by 2a minus x. That is again 0 to 2a type. And last one, it is a symmetric interval, a and minus a. Upper limit minus a, lower limit plus a. म्हणजे हा लोअर ला मायनस ला स्टार्ट होईल, प्लस ला एंड होईल. -2 to +2, -pi to +pi, -pi/2 to +pi/2, -1 to +1, -7 to +7. That is symmetric intervals. Symmetric interval असेल तर या इंटिग्रेशनची व्हॅल्यू, तर हा इंटिग्रँड म्हणजे f of x, हा जर इवन फंक्शन गेला तर 2 times 0 to a, 2 times 0 to a. And if it is odd function, then value of this symmetric interval, if function is odd function, then value of this integration is directly 0. जर हा फंक्शन इवन गेला तर 2 times 0 to a, odd गेला its value is 0. Its value is 0. How to test f of x as a even or odd. Take f of minus x. Start with f of minus x. That is, replace x by minus x in given integrand. What will we get? We get, suppose f of x, then it is even. We get it minus f of x, then it is odd function. It is odd function. I write one example here. I write just one example. Suppose f of x equal to x cube. This is given function. आता आपल्याला टेस्ट करायचं आहे whether to check this function is even function or odd function. Start with f of minus x. Just x is replaced by minus x cube. That is equal to minus x cube means again original. Therefore f of minus x we get minus f of x. Therefore function is odd function. Given function is odd function. हा odd function है. तसंच आपल्याला दुसरा टेस्टिंग करता येईल. f of x equal to x square plus x raised to 4. f of x, f replaced by minus x, we get minus x square and minus x raised to 4. X is replaced by minus x square, it is plus x square. Minus x replaced raised to 4, it is plus x raised to 4. That is we get original x square plus x raised to 4. परत f of x मिळाला. f of minus x नि स्टार्ट करना. minus f of x मिळाला तर odd plus f of x मिळाला तर even. हे even और टेस्टिंग झालं. even और टेस्टिंग सिमेट्रिक इंटर असेल तरच even और टेस्टिंग करायचं. म्हणजे मायनस याला स्टार्ट प्लस याला एंड. देन टेक even odd function टेस्टिंग. even double 2 times 0 to a. If odd function it is 0. Now first example on definite integration. Integration 0 to 1 upon x plus root x dx is equal to MST CT 2019 ला विचारलेला क्वेश्चन आहे. 0 to 1. I write this. It is equal to r is equal to 0 1 root x common. Then inside I write root x plus 1 dx. Root x plus 1. Now I put this bracket as a t. Put root x plus 1 is equal to t. Then its derivative 1 by 2 times root x dx is equal to dt. Then dx upon root x is equal to 2 dt. Check the limits. Limits are x and t. X limits 0 and 1. x0 then t1. x0 in this, then t1. x1 root 1 plus 1 2 t is equal to 2. Therefore 0 1 it is 1 2. Therefore r is equal to 1 to 2, 0 to 1 1 to 2. Then this root x plus 1 as a t, 1 by root x dx 2 dt upon t. That is 2 integration 1 by t log t upper minus lower 1 to 2. That is 2 log 2 minus log 1. And log 1 0 neglected. Therefore 2 log 2. Here coefficient power log 2 square. 2 square it is log 4. Log 4 answer. Log 4 A option. Check. Now second example, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 log 2 minus sin x upon 2 plus sin x dx. Now here observation, if symmetric interval, then we think about even or odd function. Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Symmetric interval है. Minus ला start, plus ला end. Same numbers, pi by 8. But lower limit is minus, upper limit is plus. Then it is symmetric interval. Symmetric interval, therefore we test for even odd function. Therefore given function is this. f of x is equal to, this is called as f of x, integrand. Now test. अपन टेस्ट करूया. f of minus x नि स्टार्ट करना. How to test? Start with f of minus x for even or testing. X is replaced by minus x. We get log 2 minus sin minus x upon 2 plus sin minus x. That is log sin of minus out 2 plus sin x. Sin of minus out 2 minus sin x. 2 minus sin x. Now we want this as alter. Alter कम घ्यायचं मला. That is raised to minus 1. Raised to minus 1. I write log 2 minus sin x upon 2 plus sin x. रेस्ट टू -1 आणि पॉवर कोएफिशिएंट हा पुढे येईल, that is minus log bracket as it is. Therefore this is what minus, this log bracket means what, again original f of x. Now start with f of minus x, we get minus f of x, therefore given function is odd function मिळाला आणि odd function असेल symmetric interval, then its value is 0 by that property, D option. Next example number 3, if 0 to k dx upon 2 plus 18x square is equal to pi by 4, then the value of k is, MSD C ला विचारलेला question. Now this integration we take, this is of the type quadratic type. 18 out, I write 1 by 18 0 to k dx upon 18 out, therefore it is 1 by 9 plus x square dx. That is equal to 1 by 18 0k dx upon 1 by 3 square plus x square. That is of the type 1 by a square plus x square, tan inverse मध्ये जाईल, tan inverse. Now it is equal to, it is given pi by 24, therefore pi by 24 is equal to 1 by 18. Now and integration of this tan inverse 1 by a, 1 upon a means 1 by 3, tan inverse x by a means 1 by 3, limits 0 to k. Check pi by 24, this reverse of cancel with this, 3 6 are 1 by 6, then it is tan inverse upper limit 3x, that is 3x 0k 6 transfer, it is pi by 4 tan inverse 3k minus tan inverse 0 neglected, tan inverse 3k is equal to pi by 4, transfer tan pi by 4 is equal to 3k, and tan pi by 4, tan 45 1 is equal to 3k, therefore k is equal to 3, transfer 1 by 3 answer, C option. Next example number 4, the value of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 sin square x upon 1 plus 2 raised to x dx is dash dash. JEE Main 2018 ला विचारलेला question. Now this is symmetric interval, therefore we first test for even odd testing, start with f of minus x, then sin square minus x upon 1 plus 2 raised to minus x, that is sin of minus हा sin square है, sin of minus में but square it is same, 1 plus 2 raised to minus x, that is neither even nor odd function, even पण नहीं है odd पण function है कारण denominator ला वेगळा येतो. Therefore another property for this, that is a to b property, this property a to b f of x dx is equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Now here a and b are pi by 2 and minus pi by 2. Addition of this a plus b minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, it is 0. That is replace x by minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus x. That is, this is 0, x is replaced by minus x. That is by using property. Therefore I write this as equal to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 sin square minus x upon 1 plus 2 raised to minus x. This is original, I suppose replacement is this, then sin square minus x same, minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 sin square x upon, this is I write 1 plus 1 upon 2 raised to x. Now this transfer is equal to minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, denominator cross 2 raised to x plus 1, common denominator तो numerator ला जाईल 2 raised to x into sin square x. This is equation number 2 and this is given as a 1. Both are I. Adding just these two, adding I plus I, that is 2i. Now this 1 and 2, adding this we get minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Then sin square x upon 2 2 raised to x plus 1 sin square x into 2 raised to x upon 2 raised to x plus 1. That is 2I minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. This is sin square x out. Then 1 plus 2 raised to x and upon 1 plus 2 raised to x. Same, cancel. Only sin square x remaining. Now sin square x, that is 2I. Sin square x is it is even function. Therefore 2 times half 0 pi by 2 and sin square x. 2 gets cancelled. I is equal to integration 0 pi by 2 sin square x. I write 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Now its integration is 1 by 2 out, integration 1 integration x just cos minus sin 2x upon 2 limit 0 pi by 2. Now check upper limit pi by 2, upper limit in this, that is equal to 1 by 2 upper limit pi by 2. In this x equal to pi by 2, sin pi 0 neglected minus 0. Lower limit 0, x 0 0 then sin 0 0 neglected. Lower limit 0 0 neglected. Only pi by 2. That is pi by 4. That is C option. Check. J le विचारलेला क्वेश्चन आहे. Next example 0 1 dx upon root 1 plus x minus root x is equal to k by 3. Then value of this. Check the options again. Options are this. Yes, options are this. Here 4 root 2 D option. Now solving this. Now square roots therefore make rationalization. 0 1 root 1 plus x plus root x, rationalizing opposite factor root 1 plus x minus root x, then root 1 plus x plus root x, rationalizing this dx is equal to k by 3. It is k by 3. Then 0 1, this a minus b a plus b a square means root 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus x, minus b square means root x square, that is minus x. Numerator as it is, it is dx k by 3. Denominator x cancel, 1 therefore neglected. Now integration of numerator 1 plus x, it is 1 plus x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus root x, it is x raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 is equal to k by 3. Now upper limit minus lower limit, upper minus lower 0 1. Here upper limit just I write 2 by 3 out inside. Upper limit x equal to 1 in this, 1 plus 1 2 raised to 3 by 2, x equal to 1 plus 3 by 1 raised to 3 by 2, that is 1. Lower limit 0, in this 0 minus x equal to 0, then it is minus 1. X equal to 0 neglected is equal to k by 3. That is 1 minus 1 cancel. 2 by 3, then 2 raised to 3 by 2, it is 2 and root 2 is equal to k by 3. That is 3 cancel, 2 2s are 4 root 2 into k. That is k. D option 4 root 2. Next example, integration 1 to 2 1 by x square e raised to 1 by x dx. Without loss, of course this is integration by substitution. 1 by x e raised to 1 by x substitution. Therefore put 1 by x is equal to t. Its derivative is minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. Minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. Therefore dx upon x square is equal to minus dt. Check the limits. Limits are for x it is 1 to 2, x equal to 1, t is equal to same, x equal to 2, then t as a 1 by 2. Therefore I becomes is equal to 1 to 1 by 2, 1 by x square dx minus dt, and this e raised to t, that is e raised to t minus dt. This minus cancel, limits alter, 1 by 2 to 1 e raised to t dt. E raised to t integration e raised to t, limits 1 by 2 to 1. Upper limit e raised to t e raised to 1 1 e raised to root e raised to 1 by 2. That is root e. That is e minus root e. Root e out, then root e minus 1. That is option is C option. C option. Next, example number 7, 0, 9. Root x upon root x plus 9 minus x dx is equal to dash dash. This is of the type 0 to a. 0 to a is the type. But 0a f of x dx, replace x by a minus x dx. This is of the type. This is property. लोअर लिमिट 0 असेल तर 0 या प्रॉपर्टी वरती फोकस करायचं. 0 to 9, therefore x is replaced by 9 minus x. I is equal to given 0 9 root x upon root x plus 9 minus x dx. Replace by using this property 0 9, x is replaced by 9 minus x upon 9 minus x plus, here x is replaced by 9 minus x, minus 9 plus x dx. This cancel, this cancel. Again I is equal to 0 9 root 9 minus x upon root 9 minus x plus root x dx. This is equation number 2. This is 1. Adding 1 and 2, adding 1 and 2. LHS, so I plus I, it is 2i. RHS, adding this and this, check. दोघांचा डिनॉमिनेटर सेम आहे, डिनॉमिनेटर सेम. ऍडिशन ऑफ न्यूमरेटर्स, that is 0 9 root 9 minus x plus root x divided by root 9 minus x plus root x dx. Numerator denominators are same, cancel, cancel, therefore 2i is equal to just only integration 0 9 dx, and integration 0 9 dx, it is just x, that is 0 9, upper limit only it is 9. 2i is equal to 9, therefore I is equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2. That is B option, 9 by 2.